Ladies and gentlemen, the original gold teeth, strong teeth, Don Gorgon. Let's welcome Ninjaman.
Sumfest. I can tell you something. Yo, pass that champion and give me wife. Hold this, give me wife this. Alright. Listen to me. I come here tonight just to tell my fans them I'm not in no farmer working. I'm tired of the disrespect where I reach Jamaican artists them. Jamaican artists been out day and night front of buckle and stone to make promote and make money. How not this man like you think man an idiot. Well, let me tell you something. You can't tear down Bounty Killer and then come back and work with you. You can't tear down Beanie Man and then come back and work with you. You can't tear down Vice Cartel and then come back and work with you. But hear me, Ninjaman independent. I mean now to work with no. If me did poor, me couldn't form one umbrella movement for go run for help the people in Jamaica. Who no go away? Alright. Let me tell you something. Me are sick somebody. And me have a thing when you petty change. Me rich. And me start from a small amount. So the first brought me a fling where that's how they're rich. Who not chat to? When you not talk, you not call me name about. Who no ban me from no hotel. Who no can't ban me from hotel when me have this state for me own self. Who no? Who no think? Who no think me a idiot? Listen. While they fool them talking, Ninjaman laughing, making the money, me and me fans them flossing. Forget about the bad. No more sky love. You praise the touch of. Hey! Stop with the time of sound, man! Shut a labor right, shut a PNP. Hold on there. Hold on. You see, as me there talk to you, me come off I stay down. Me come off down. Alright. Me want to come off. But just as me make to come off, I buy joke me and say, Ninjaman. Yes, Montego be in Jamaica and the rest of the world will come to see up on some place. If you can build a new tune to the vibes we are going here now. You don't feel like you can't do it? Well, alright. Mr. PNP around the country for 18 years. And I see the people them are dead. Labour Party still ain't come to make a changes. And people still are dead. So you want me now? After me there, I funny word on me know that some politician must in here. Some heads of government must in here. And some of the society leader they must in here. So me go ask you a question. Say what I want in a Spanish town, make every day another lifetime. Don't tell the people what I want in a Kingston town, because the listener is another gun sound. Tell the people what I want in a Spanish town, make every day you hear another gun. Tell the people what I want in a Kingston town, that every listener is a listen. That the first capital and not the whole capital, and every day you listen to news. The next man a funeral because the way they bust down, they say it no partial. They kill the mama, kill the poopa, baby boy and baby girl. So make me ask the old man what they and tell the people what I want. Mr. Inamo Bay, make life a good on your body. AK, tell me now what I want. Down in a Montego Bay, make every day another man gets slain. In a Canterbury, gunshot pick your kill like home and pick this berry. You drop on the ground like how you drop cherry. Down in a South Spring, gunshot pick your kill like all time chip. Building gunshot at DJ, gunshot start sing. When me talk, where's the Montego? Which part of the Montego? You tell me Montego Bay, where place them name? What you say? When me talk about Nahud, them they gun they bust up your head like them amplitude. So me get me know say them and they shoot. Good which part again? When me say Canterbury, if you ramp your dead and you must have to bury. Gunshot fit fucking make you in a gully. Some of them are talk about the wicked and ready. No pass up 12 back Canterbury. Where you get? Them come back with South Spring. You never hear me tell you about up a South Spring. Gunshot thing you kill like old gym building. Hold on. Bye-bye, be gone.
Year to year, it still remains potent, lyrically extraordinaire. Ninjaman. What is it? You want to believe now? You don't want some more ninja? Do you want some more ninja? Somebody said ninja, 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 ninja.
Hold on.
What one and Gorgon?
Hold on. Alright, people. Two me never come here for work. I don't love me so much. And the one who love me, here where me I go do. Me have one next work for do down here in August. So you want now? Me I go save the recite for August. When you ask about response, you can't read your damn down till see posted them all go and listen to the radio. Alright, me have a little artist who I walk with me boy. I'm going to give him a break in I think. Because you want now. Are you unity we are dealing with now? And we kind of cut out our foolishness. I'm tired to be DJ now. Right now, I'm head to be an ambassador. I want to set a different trend in Jamaica. You see what I say? Jamaica people, let me show you something. I love you now. And let me tell you this in a Sumfest. If me get the support when me want under the one umbrella movement, we can cut crime 60% by now in January next year. After. Come in, Teflon.
Holy Emmanuel, I Selassie. The man that was smoke marijuana, Montego Bay, we should be on there. I'm a bird. Every time I find a cow, they know him. Let's go Canterbury. Yo, watch out. Holy Emmanuel, I Selassie. We said the man that was smoke marijuana. But we have to get one job. As a fire bird. Watch out. But I don't want no walk if they come in. All the strictly sensitive. Take up over for the scene. Keep the hour. Watch out the street and never need. And this is so fun. This is free now. I so. You don't mix that no man. No. It's a display. Who can try to yard? You want so free. But I got to go and try to yard. I love it. And it's blazing. And who can try to yard? And when you try to yard, I love it. When I'm going up. The time that goes outside. And who can roll it. And this the flat that split from outside. And real bad man don't jump out on the roadside. In front of me gun, me down this have some here. Me have the conquering.
Hold on. We could have feel shame. Me feel shame. What be here? Me can't come here after you not hear me so long. Hold on, bandsman. Me a walk out after you not hear me so long. Me not give you not even one new tune. That not look good. Alright. That tune you know. Dedicate to the artists them. Come on, the artists them know. So it's the reason why Ninjaman never got foreign for 15 years, he never got America. And because I gun business when name a call up in her. And because of drugs. Because if you are poker than a company wanting, sign you and get doctor to look after you that when you perform, you perform. But let me tell you something. You check out the whole world. You see all kind of rehabilitation center. You ever see a place to rehabilitate bad man? No. Well, alright, young artist. My father Vice Cartel the whole on. That tune dedicated to all of the artists them. Cause me no like when the government take back on no visa. Cause me lose my one for a long time. And I go tell Montego be where me go through when me lose my visa. Read him. Hold on, man. Fear with him already. Fear with him already. Sure. All right, Moby. Here a tune go now. If the bandsman bad, he might go find a rhythm and mix it neat. And Moby, if you no bad, you no go can sing it with me. Here you know. Where them a go do now when they yes the visa take away? Where them a go do? Where them a go do? Where them a go do now when they yes the visa take away? Where them a go do? Where them a go do? Where them a go do? Tell me where them a go try when them want go a foreign and know them can't fly. Tell me where them a go do now when they yes the visa take away? One PM. Here you know. Remember one time when me a bust it up hard. Then take away me papers and give me a gun charge. And take away me privilege to travel up abroad. But now me things start out, give thanks to the Lord. We get a second chance to go promote record. And make some money and big up me standard. You know nice when you never get your global applause. That mean your career pampas. Ninja say, where them a go do now when they get the visa take away? Where them a go do? Where them a go do? Where them a go do now when they get the visa take away? Where them a go do? Where them a go do? Where them a go do? Tell me where them a go try when they can't help you them on the gully side. Where them a go do now when they get the visa? Watch out, yeah, no. No flight, nah book, business get shook. As so come me know say no food nah cook, no money nah make, no cash nah connect. Me can't count the amount of visa we get take. The account finish, you sit down and a wish. The younger place you tour at the 14 parish. Things don't look sweet when you pocket the fleet and you lick out tuggy then. One food for eat again, oh where them a go do, now when they use the visa thing. Where them a go do, where them a go do, where them a go do. Hold on. You don't know this. Me the 15 years when I take my visa. All them a say me that smoke drugs. Me never did look like dirty boy, no. Me did have my money I spend though. Me that live good still do. Well, some artists them better got a backup plan. Because the Jamaican currency not have no fan. And if you're confused and looking for a good suggestion, Dancehall different people till then Gorgon. You will tell you how to make money without tongue to some. Like do some farming and some plantation. Real estate business a big production. Invest in job by yourself and number one. And pick up yourself like the then Gorgon. That's when Babylon want change the program. You put your pay your one and sing this lotted song and say, where them a go do now? Move that! Montego here! Me done!
Yeah, that are the Ninja. Ninjaman, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah.